Hey guys, so today I'm just going to be cleaning the carpets in my Jeep. So I took all the carpets out of it. You can see is the metal now. So what I am going to do, I am going to just kind of clean this. It's kind of dirty, just because I don't know. Just kind of feel like it. So I'm probably going to take some Ammo Frothy and just clean all this so it's nice and clean. And then we'll use the carpet cleaner on the carpets and then let it all dry and then throw everything back in. Alright, so now I'm just going to use my ammo aerator with some frothy in it just to kind of clean all this out. And I'm of course going to let this dry so there's no moisture underneath here, but now clean the pedals off a little bit. So I just kind of wanted to maybe help you guys out just a little bit if you're taking all your carpets out. So up front, there are these clips, or just like push pin guys, that there are these little push pin things here. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's one there. Then there's other ones on the other side. So when you're taking your carpet out, make sure that those holes, you pull it out and not rip it down, because then obviously you just rip the carpet. Then up front here, so how you take the shifter bezel out is if you get a screwdriver and you just pry it in the front here, pry it back like that, and then this whole thing you just push and lift out, and it should pop out really nice and easy. Then I just pushed it up here to get it out of the way. Then there's one screw, or one bolt rather, right here. So take that guy out. That'll loosen up this here. Then there's one more right there. That'll loosen up everything. And then for the center console, all you got to do is take your little rubber protector out of here. Then there are two more bolts there. So then that's all loose. And the reason why I like to do that is it's not that difficult to do. And then it also allows you to, when you put the carpet back in, it allows it to be a lot easier, and then you're not going to rip or tear the carpet when taking it out. And I think just this extra step of doing all this really is worth a little bit of effort. That way you're never going to rip your carpets, because I've seen old carpets rip before, so that's kind of a bummer. But yeah, so all I'm going to do now, let this dry a little bit, and then I got all of the carpets are all clean now. I vacuumed them, and just going to let them sit in the sun here, let them really dry out. Slide it up. Now this is where the easy part of, for the center console, you just lift the center console up, set it back down. That way you're not gonna ruin nothing, and that looks real nice. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just kind of showing you guys everything here. Should probably button that back up. That's buttoned up. Carpet looks nice and clean. Smells good in here too. I used, so I had the carpet cleaner. I had some normal soap in it, but then I used some of my Ammo Shag fabric cleaner. That stuff smells really good, so I just threw that in there. But looks really nice. Here it looks good. So yeah, anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a lot, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video.